After years of operating in survival mode, I decided that I no longer wanted to carry around this bitterness and this resentment and this anger. I did not want to operate from a space that was frankly dictated by my childhood trauma. I needed not necessarily a new life, but a new lens, a way to see and be honest about where I was, how I got there, and where I wanted to go. I needed to figure out who I wanted to be, how I wanted to navigate motherhood, and what steps was I going to take to protect my peace, to heal, and to create boundaries. And then how was I going to stick to those boundaries? So I committed to change. And I committed in a very violent and aggressive way. I violently refused to navigate motherhood and my life with the belief that I had to sacrifice my peace and my health, and that I needed to betray myself in order to be seen as the greatest daughter, to be seen as a good big sister, to be seen as a good person. I refused to navigate motherhood with the thought that my life was going to come to an end, because those weren't my words. Those were words that were placed on me by someone else who had a negative experience with motherhood. Those were not my words, but I was operating and navigating my path with those words and actions. I made a commitment to be kinder to myself and to be kind to my child. And while I don't have it all figured out, I absolutely do not have it figured out. I am realizing that it's not about a perfect ending, but more so about a conscious and soulful beginning. And that even in the brokenness, even through waking up and smiling and you're completely broken inside, I can still show up for myself. I can still make a commitment to healing, a commitment to navigating motherhood in my life from a way that feels good to me, a way that aligns with who I am and who I'm becoming. And the biggest part of that started with me being honest with myself, being 100% raw and honest and authentic with where I was, how I got there, and where I was going. And sometimes that can be hard. It can be hard, it can be hard being honest with yourself, because then you have to realize that some of these actions, some of the results of where you are based on your actions. It's not always what someone else did to you. You might have gotten yourself to this point, and that's okay. Now we're making a commitment to conscious living, a commitment to showing up for yourself, a commitment to protecting your peace, a commitment to staying true to your boundaries, and emotional regulation, and managing your triggers. All of these commitments that I'm making to myself now, and I'm taking the steps every single day while I'm navigating this journey. Even when you need to take time off, even when you're not feeling your best, keep going. Take a day, take a two days, take a week, but keep going. Don't give up. I couldn't give up. I can't give up. I can't afford to give up. I've come too far in this space that I'm in now to just give up and leave it all behind. But I'm committed to creating a new life, creating new experiences for myself, creating new experiences in my motherhood journey. That's my commitment to myself. If this series spoke to your heart, I would love to hear about your journey. Please DM me, email me, or tag me in your stories. I created this space because I wanted to be able to share myself and my journey, but also to help create a space where people, other mothers, other women are feeling comfortable with sharing their journey. So please tag me in your stories and let's just share where we are and how we're showing up for ourselves every day.